Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Track Investing Gurus feature. And so here you'll see how you can easily see the holdings of any investor on TIKR. So this is in the idea generation section in the left navigation bar here. So again, Track Investing Gurus. So you can see we've separated this out into four main sections. First is GARP, which stands for Growth at a Reasonable Price, Value, Aggressive Growth, and Other. So this is a separation based off the different investment strategies of these different investors. So depending on your own personal investing strategy, you can find other professional investors with similar types of strategies and see what type of stocks they own in their own portfolio. So let's, for example, go to Berkshire Hathaway. So here you can see easily, we can see all of Berkshire Hathaway's holdings here as reported in their 13F. But not only that, we track their holdings globally. So any holdings that they've disclosed globally, we track it on TIKR. So you can see here, Japanese 5% filings. We also managed to get those holdings on this little report here that you see. So you can see the company name, TIKR, the reported value of the shares held, the holding as a percentage of the firm's portfolio. So you can see here, Apple is over 40% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, and some other important statistics here, such as the percentage of shares outstanding held. So this is a very nifty tool to sort of see the holdings of some of the best investors around the world and maybe understand why they hold those positions and whether it might be a potentially good idea for your own portfolio. Of course, do your own diligence, but I think this is a helpful tool to find potentially interesting ideas. And you can see, because this is a 13F filing, the holdings date here is September 30th, 2021, since these are generally reported on a quarterly basis. If we go back to Track Investing Gurus, you can see we have a number of investors here that you can look through. For example, if you want to see the holdings of a value investor, let's go to Scion Asset Management here. This is Michael Burry's fund. And so you can see, we have the 13Fs here, but we actually have a lot of other really interesting companies that you wouldn't find if you just went to the SEC filing, the 13F filing here. We follow the UK registry, as you can see, shareholder reports, Japanese filings, so on and so forth. So this is an example, a great example of a lot of holdings that you likely wouldn't be able to find out about without using TIKR. So you can see here, some very interesting companies that Michael Burry owns here. So this is a cool feature on TIKR that I definitely recommend you check out. The other way to sort of navigate to this is to go to, if you use the search bar up here to look up a stock, you can also go to the ownership tab over here, and you'll see, the holders for this company. And so again, if you click on this, it'll take you to the holdings of the actual investor here. So that's the Track Investing Gurus feature. If we just go back here one last time, again, as part of the free plan, you would have access to these funds on this page, the top 20 funds on this page. If you subscribe to the Pro tier, you can actually search through 10,000 plus funds using the search bar over here. So this is a really cool tool that you can also use if you subscribe again to the Pro tier. So, for example, if you look up Hound Partners here, which is a Tiger Cub, you'll see the holdings pop up for this particular fund. And again, as part of the Pro tier, you'd have access to the holdings of 10,000 plus funds. So this is a very brief video. That's pretty much it. Let me know, if you have any other questions. Again, you can reach out to us at support@tikr.com. The other thing here maybe to note is that you can always click on the TIKR on this page as well. And that'll take you again to the stock in question. And then you can research the stock using these different tabs here.